It's impossible to replicate what you have done and what you do by just having a flyer.
I don't think you can do this program the way you guys did it without, because that's what I told my board last night. Is like, well, if we talk about this in our district, we got to bring y'all.
Right. Pull it off.
You have to see it and you have to experience it, because this is very interactive.
Okay.
And that's why it's so powerful. And the only way you can do that, I mean, yes, videos, but to be actually the one doing the call and response,
that interaction,
and the way we were being challenged in the moment, there's no replica for that without you being able to do it in person.
I'm going to give you a number between 1 and 10, a whole number. Don't give me 1.5 and 2.3. I want a whole number between 1 and 10. And we're going to put it in this American system. And the idea is for you to go through this system and come out to be something other than 12. 12 is the prototype. 12 is what they want everybody to be. We want you to be yourself. Give me a whole number. Let's get started. 7. Somebody always start with 7. Let's talk about that number 7. Every 7 years, a boy goes through a rites of passage. By the time he's 7 years old, he starts to identify what his father wants to do with his father. By the time he turns 14, he identifies with who he is, his socializing group. And by the time he becomes from 14, 21 years old, that's why you get to 21, you think he's a man, but he's really not. There's certain things he really needs to know. It's not until he's 30, 40 he really wants to settle down. We'll come back later on with those numbers. All right, let's go and get number 7. Hope you can make this. 7 times 2 equals what? 14 plus 24 equals what? Come on, Superintendent. 38 divided by 2 equals what? 19 minus number 7. You didn't make it, brother. Give me somebody else. I know you have the lucky 7 thing going. 9. All right, 9 times 2 equals what? 18 plus 24 equals what?
42.
Work with it. What is it?
32.
All right, 42 divided by 2 equals what?
21.
And 21 minus number 9, you did not make it either. Somebody got to get in this system and get in it and get out and be themselves. I know it's, there you go. I know it's 2 more, we're going to stop. Number 1 and 0. Let's go and get that 0. 0 times 2 equals what? 0. 0 plus 24 equals what? 24. And 24 divided by 2, you didn't even make it in this way. Look, I'm going to close this down and bring my brother up. First of all, we don't never have near enough time. We consider ourselves to be master facilitators for real. But the idea is to synergize all this energy and become a coalition of the willing. We consider ourselves to be one of the best MBKs in the country, and we just get started. We have a concept that we call CMO, where we're tracking all our students in reference to their attendance, in reference to their academics, in reference to their behavior, in reference to community involvement. And every 3 weeks, those numbers come up so we can identify what our problems is so we can go further. You gotta have some level of community involvement. I don't go back to my community, I'm just in my community. Y'all feel what I'm saying to you? When a judge punishes you, he tells you he's gonna give you community service. That's punishment? To work in your neighborhood? We got to work on that, you all.